on it.
Hey, welcome to FANDOMversity. I'm Michael.
I'm Coda. I'm Cuyler.
And we're going to do a special unboxing today.
Yeah.
Well, you know what it is
We also
based on the
got-
description of the video.
And this is from Song the Hedgehog we don't know. And that's a pod since it would be.
Well,
Sonic.
Cuyler knows and Coda knows
Yeah, since he
is that it
told
has
us that
something to
would-
do with Sonic the Hedgehog.
Yeah. Probably was Sonic. Oh,
So, these are the clues.
we
We've got
got
a bowl
a bowl and we got a milk.
and milk.
Yeah, probably we get to put the milk inside and put the toy and put the
Decorations
and then we
in it.
try to put the spoon, get it in by the spoon.
So
I think that.
let's start with opening the box.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is the
we
box.
made it so you guys could see it. Like
There's a title in it.
Camera.
Let's open it.
I think there's a cut on the bottom. Coda.
Wait! I opened it. Okay.
Okay. Let's. Cereal! Sonic the Hedgehog cereal! Oh, the cereal is blue and it's called the Sonic Hedgehog pop.
Show everybody.
Green.
Why don't you show everybody the box?
I did. You want me to show it again? And look, there's a maze on the back.
Maze.
With a wing.
So, what kind of brand is this?
It's a Sonic, a Hedgehog, and a Funko.
That's an F.
Oh, Funko.
Funko, like, what do they make?
Sonic on it. And it's a pop. It's so.
Pops, yeah.
And so this is pop, not actual size.
Not the actual size.
Not
So, we're going to try this cereal to see if it's any good.
First, we need to get the pop out.
Yeah. Also, we
Hold on,
gotta
hold
try
on,
to
hold on.
melt with
Let's open the whole box because I want to save the box.
You want to save the box? Oh, here's the tiny one. It's tiny. Wait. Oh, that is the cat. It's the cat's emerald, the green one. Look how small he is.
How about let's take them out of the package and show them?
Okay, it'll be a part of it. Okay, so I have to open.
You don't get a lot of cereal with it.
I know.
Maybe 2 medium bowls.
But blue. That's cool. Just
It's
like
blue
Sonic the
like
Hedgehog
Sonic.
is. Just like Sonic the Hedgehog is mostly
Wait, can I
blue.
hold him?
And look at him.
Come on, let me hold
And that
him.
green
Yeah,
part.
you get to hold him
And
inside.
that green part is the cat's emerald.
So he's a little mini
Cool.
pop.
Mini pop. That
This
means
is a
little.
GameStop exclusive.
Yeah, GameStop exclusives. It's cool. Guess what? Sonic the Hedgehog I like the most when all the characters I like from.
Alright, so we're going to try the cereal here. We're going to all taste test it. Did you want to hold the Sonic?
Yeah. Also,
It looks so cute.
I have a feeling these are going to taste like
he look
Cheerios.
cute on video. See? Cheerios. I think
Just
it
like
tastes
this
like
one.
Sonic running. And you could hear it in your head, but Sonic's running like the sound from when you go in the ball. Oh, okay, go in the ball.
That will heal it. Also,
Here's
go
the
fast. Like
Do we put a
Sonic
little
the
more?
Hedgehog.
We can have a little more later. This is just a taste test.
Yeah, taste test.
Milk.
This
Get
is
some
just a
milk.
taste.
Alright, Kyler, you go first because
Because I love Sonic the Hedgehog.
you love Sonic the Hedgehog the most.
With the spoon.
Me too. I
Oh,
want
yeah.
the same of Kyle. We could have bought 2 spoons. Because I love Sonic the Hedgehog like Kylo. Like the same amount of Kylo.
Tastes a little like orange
Huh?
and tastes a little like something else. No, there's one
Now it's
more.
my turn.
Is it good, Kyler?
Mhm.
Can I try?
What's it taste like?
Cheerios.
Cheerios?
Yummy. Do you want to see us eat the West?
No, I'm gonna taste it.
Do you want to see us
What did
eat
you think
the
of it,
West?
Coda?
I think you
Thumbs
guys,
up?
I think you guys want to see us eat the West. So let's
Does not taste like Cheerios. Tastes like kind of fruity. Kind of like Fruit Loops.
Oh, that's Fruit Loops. Thank you.
Yeah, like Fruit Loops. So, anyways, this was just a short video of our little unboxing. Nothing too fancy, nothing too special. Limited edition. GameStop exclusive. Comes with a little pop.
This one's on the Hedgehog.
He's not part of the unboxing though. He's just hanging out.
I know, it's my toy.
And again, here's the little pop.
No, can I show them this thing? Here's a little pop. Can I show them the back?
Sure.
This is the back. Can I eat?
Alright, well, let's go upstairs and get each of us our own bowl. So anyways, thanks for watching.
Yeah, we get more.
I hope we get so many likes from this video instead of the Born Bear video. Check that out when we did check that out. Anyway, this was been a video and forgot. So quick.
Make sure you slap that like button.
And ring the bell. And don't forget. And what is it? Subscribe.
And hit the bell and like it right now.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.